What value of x is the solution to the given equation? So we have this equation and we need to find the value of x. So first, let's rewrite this equation here. So 1/3 x plus 1/3 x plus 6 minus 1/2 x plus 6 equals -8. So what we can do is multiply both sides of the equation by 3. This way we can get rid of this 1/3 here. So if we multiply everything by 3, 3 times 1/3, that just cancels out to 1. So we'll just have 1 times x plus 6. But since it's a coefficient of 1 that's being multiplied with this quantity, then we just leave it blank. And then 3 times -1/2, that's just -3/2 times x plus 6 equals, and then 3 times 8, that's -24. Now, to get rid of this 3/2 here, what we can do is multiply both sides of the equation by 2. This way, we'll have 2 times x plus 6 minus 3 times x plus 6, because it cancels out with the half. And then 24 times 2 is -48. So now we've gotten rid of all the fractions, coefficients. So we can just now distribute out these coefficients in front of these parentheses, quantities in the parentheses. So 2 times x is 2x, 2 times 6 is 12, -3 times x is -3x, -3 times 6 is -18, which equals -48. Now let's group the like terms. So the 2x quantities, so 2x minus 3x is -x, 12 minus 18 is equal to -6, which equals -48. Then we can add 6 to both sides to get -x equals -48 plus 6, so that's -42. So that means if we multiply both sides by a negative sign, x equals 42. So the value of x is 42.